my good people? Florida Doughboy Alberto here. Today I want to show you guys how to make Alberto's calzone. Alrighty, so the meat lover is probably my biggest selling calzone, so that's the one I decided to show you guys today. The Philly calzone is a big seller as well, but we'll go with the meat lover. So I always start by flouring my dough ball up real nice. I'm going to push down the edges. We're not making a crust, so push the edges down, stay away from the middle. Couple hits, nice and even dough. Alright, same stretching techniques, back and forth, hands nice and wide, thumbs up, stay around the edge, spin it while you're going back and forth, lay it on your hands. Once you get towards the end, widen it out. When you're working, you want to be able to make 2 calzones here if you're, got a restaurant or pizza shop. Alright, so calzone, put the mozzarella. Everything I do is big, so I put a good amount of cheese there. So calzone, the difference for stromboli is a calzone should have regatta cheese in it. Alright. I use sausage. This was fresh Italian bulk sausage that I cooked up on the grill. But I put my sausage in there first because that sticks in the cheese real good, keeps it in place. Sausage. Meatballs. This is also cut up, freshly cut up. Sliced meatballs. And then pepperoni. And I put my pepperoni around the whole top. I want every bite to have meat. Every bite to have a pepperoni, sausage, meatballs. So try to get good coverage on it. Rub it down the middle. Alright, so when you're folding this over here, don't pull here too much because you don't want to thin this out. We want to be the dough will be like see-through dough on top. So don't pull this too much. Just go straight over. Push your edges, seal it good, the edges down. Then I give it like a little pat here, push it up. Alright, and we'll trim it. You don't want to go right up against, leave a little bit of dough around the edge, not too much, but this is kind of a massive calzone. Oil on there. And put like 3 or 4 slits in there so the air can release. You don't get a big crust bubble on top. That's it. Grab the edges, pick it up on your hands. That's it. Meat lover's calzone, all the way. All right, calzone's in there. Give it about 8-9 minutes. My oven's about 550 degrees, so. But I like to cook a little bit crispy. You want to really make sure you see juice coming out of the top of that. You know it's hot in the middle. If it's getting dark and you don't see juice coming out, maybe when it comes out, pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds just to guarantee that you got nice hot throughout the whole calzone. There she is.